Hello, today I will show you how to install termux on Android, but if you install it on Play Store, it won't work properly. I will show you how to install termux without any problem and it will work properly. So let's get started. Open any browser, then type termux F-dot. After that, click the search bar, then click the website that will pop up. Then scroll down, and there are two versions. Click the version that you want. Download APK. Click it. Download. Then it will start installing. After finishing the download, click install. And open the termux. And the first thing that will show you is, and if you want to upgrade the version, you have to type apt update. And click apt upgrade. Just click enter. If anything's come, click enter. I hope this video will be helpful. See you in the video.